I kind of like PE, but then I don't. I have a love-hate relationship.
I used to skype PE quite a lot.
I'm not doing PE.
I really don't like PE because we have to go outside and it's absolutely freezing, but I've literally not done any PE in year 11 because we've either got exams during PE or we do study during PE.
They do really boring stuff and I just don't exercise.
I usually find an excuse to get out of PE, to be honest.
I may not be good at sports, but I do have a fun time with my friends just messing around.
I love PE. It's my favourite subject since I was a little kid. I want a career like based on PE.
It's one of my favourite subjects at school. If we didn't have PE, I'd probably be really bored at school. We get to do loads of fun stuff like badminton, rounders, football. I'm not doing PE. I hate PE. I absolutely hate PE, but luckily since I'm in year 11 I don't have to do it anymore.
I really like PE. It helps us with my strength, my muscle wise, key again change, especially the socks.
I do GCSE PE and I have a love-hate relationship. Sometimes I can go in, I could be like, do not want to be in here, do not. But then sometimes I really enjoy it.
It's one of my favourite subjects next to English. I am in the football, hockey, netball team and I do rounders, I do javelin at athletics as well.
Badminton, tennis and netball, and I really like all of the ones that I've chosen. I do find it a little bit stressful with like the coursework and things because I didn't realise how much coursework, we weren't told about that before.
Really hate PE in year 11. Like I just think it's pointless at this, like it's March. It's just really boring. If you're doing like intense things then you're just gonna get sweaty.
I did used to skype PE quite a lot, but now that I'm in year 11 I really enjoy it and it's just a great way to get rid of stress.
If we're doing bench ball then I'll make an exception.
I don't really mind PE. It's not something that I really want to do. We will be moving on to rounder season soon when it comes to summer. For some lessons we do just dance, which is really fun because we get to pick our favourite songs.
I like PE because it's sporty and I like being sporty. If you don't do any after school clubs then that's a really good thing to do, and even if you don't like it there's still bits that you can enjoy.
I think it is so good because it gives you a place to express like your stress out, especially in year 11 now as we get to choose what we want to do. We either play like dodgeball, netball, rounders.
I kind of like PE, but then I don't. PE, netball, like unless netball is terrible. We did a bit of football in PE, that was okay, that was quite fun.
Physical education, like I don't like exercise.
PE is something that I would never want to miss out on, so if I'm off sick and I miss PE, I'm kind of like, why am I off sick today? It's PE day. And also the PE teachers at our school are really nice and they're really friendly and they do like to have a little bit of a laugh and a joke as well.